Hey y'all. Well, Fashionphile's on it to me again. I spent some money I shouldn't have spent, and I don't even remember what I bought. It's been that long. It took this long for it to get here. So all I know is it says fragile, please handle with care. So what did I buy from Fashionphile that's fragile? Come along for this journey. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel is all about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, skincare, fragrances, handbags, anything that makes you feel a little bit better about yourself because you deserve it. You really, really do. Yeah, I came home to this box and I guess it's pretty sad when you don't remember where you spent a bunch of money. So I know they had a really good sale a couple of weeks ago. Maybe it's even a month now. And I think I was just like, oh, let me just try out some random items. But like I said, it says fragile. So I don't know what I was buying. So this is a complete surprise, whatever it is. We'll go into this together and figure out what it was. Oh, good Lord, I should do better with a box cutter or something. Dang. At least it's sealed really well. Jeez. I'll repeat. Use just the new. Use just the new. All right. There's a file in there and the confetti. I'm not even going to go there, so we'll figure it out. All right. So something in a whole bunch of bubble. Orange box. Okay. This will be my, other than fragrance, my very first Hermes item. This is the fragile thing that's wrapped in a whole bunch of, what do you call it? Bubble wrap. Comes with Hermes. Oh, okay. I remember what this was. It's a trinket plate. I wanted something to put my rings and stuff on because I'm always just throwing them on my desk and just going to town when I'm putting lotion on and I don't have anything here on the desk to keep my stuff together. So yeah, I splurged on a dish. So we'll open that in a second. So what is this? Okay. Oh my God. Yeah. Okay. I was like, I'm going to do Hermes items. That box right there, that's the only other Hermes I've had in all this time. I've been wanting to go to an Hermes boutique forever. There's the nearest one is in Bellevue, which is a suburb of Seattle. I shouldn't say that, it's pretty much its own city, but it's in Seattle. And I just haven't had the chance to go up there and check it out. And when we were in Hawaii, the boutique, for whatever reason, every time I went to the mall that had it in, it was never open. So it was just like, I just kept 2 ships in the night kind of thing. It was never available. So missed it there. Haven't been able to get up to Seattle to try it out. So I've just been, not not wanting to buy anything unless I could get the whole experience. And finally, I was just like, well, if I find something online that comes new in box and packaged up, I'll just go ahead and pick something up, see what it's like, and then maybe if I like it a whole lot, I will make my way up to a boutique and buy something in person. I will never be able to buy, I shouldn't say never. I just don't think I would want to buy like a Birkin or Kelly. It's just a lot of money to spend. And I know we're all about luxury, and when I start adding up all of these items, they'll add up to a Birkin or Kelly. I just, for one bag, and knowing that I am not the most careful person, I'd rather spread that money around lots of things than one thing and then be like, my baby, it's never going anywhere. So I've just been like, nah, if I buy something, it's going to be a lower end item, or it'll be pre-loved. So, but I love the scarves. I want one of the click-clack bracelets. A few other things that I just like that are, you know, in the more reasonable range. So a lot of their shoes too. Their shoes are really lovely. So I think I'm going to do that when I go into boutique, is get more of the other items and not look at that bag. It doesn't seem like something I want to do. So let's do this. So new in box. This is a Twilly, if you know that shape, and this square plate. So let me do my thumbnail real quick. Let's see. Oh yeah, and this was a design I had never seen before from the brand. So let me put that in a little bit closer. It's a floral. Comes with all of its paperwork and everything in there. Let's see what it says here. Cheval d'Orient is what it says. And I just thought it was the nicest little trinket plate to have. So it's really beautiful, the gold. The other style that I find interesting, and I'll insert a picture of it, is that really nice like Art Deco black and white pattern. A lot of people have like the china, the teacups and stuff of it. That one was really nice. So I was considering that one. But when I saw this one, it just really, I don't know, just really intrigued me. So exciting. Okay, so let's check out what Twilly I got. It says Pupille de Devant. So has its certificate of authenticity and a little Hermes information. So it is this Twilly, and why does this seem a lot smaller than like the Louis Vuitton ones are a lot bigger, longer than this, I believe. Maybe I'm misremembering. But this doesn't seem like it could go around a handle very well. And my Louis ones seem quite substantial. It's very pretty. It's almost like, you know, a bandana. Oh, that's what it was called, right? Bandana, Pupille Devant bandana. That bandana, you know, print that you would see. But all silk, lots of horses on it. It's really pretty. I like the coloring on it. But, yeah, see, I don't think... Oh yeah, this is way short because I have those what do you call them? Those clips, those scarf rings. That's what we're looking for. The scarf rings. And for my Louis ones, they come down, you know, mid-chest at least. This is barely going to tie around my head even. So this is, do they have mini styles for Hermes. I was expecting a longer item. Anyway, I got a really good deal. I mean, I think it was $110. So they're normally, like 180, I believe. So it was a very good price. And again, new with tags and everything and with the box. So that was a good deal. And same thing with this one. I think this was 120 for the plate, which for a plate, I'm sure you're like, Nancy, dollar store, what are you thinking? But I just really wanted, an Hermes item. So I'm really excited to have a couple of lovely pieces in my collection. So this will look really good on a few of my bags as a little accent piece. I think it's just a really pretty design. More of a fall winter kind of color with the green blue, but I think it's really pretty. All right, well, that's my first Hermes items that I added to my world. So thank you for joining. See y'all later.